In this video, I am going to discuss about electron affinity. Electron affinity is the energy released when an electron is added to the valence shell of an isolated gaseous atom to form a negative ion. Ea1 is the first electron affinity. See the equation. X is an isolated gaseous atom. When adding electron, it's converted into negative ion. It also in gaseous state. Then energy release. When an electron adding to the neutral gaseous atom, it releases energy and it's converted into negatively charged ion. First electron affinity is an exothermic process as energy released. Then Ea2 is a second electron affinity. It is the energy required to add an electron to the uni-negative gaseous ion. See the equation. X minus is the uni-negative gaseous ion. When an adding electron, energy required, then it's converted into X2 minus. It also in gaseous state. Addition of electron to a negative ion leads to electrostatic repulsion. The process requires energy and hence Ea2 is an endothermic process. The fourth point is variation of electron affinity in a period. In a period, electron affinity increases from left to right. On moving from left to right in a period, the size of the atom decreases, the effective nuclear charge increases. Hence, electron affinity increases when we move from left to right in a period. In a period, the alkali metals have low value and the halogens have high value of electron affinity. Then fifth point, variation of electron affinity in a group. In a group, electron affinity decreases on going from top to bottom. On moving down a group, size of the atom increases due to the increase in the number of shells. Hence, electron affinity decreases when we go down a group. Then sixth point is factors affecting electron affinity. The first factor is atomic size. Atomic size inversely proportional to electron affinity. In a small atom, the electrons are strongly held, while in a large atom, the electrons are less strongly held with the nucleus. Therefore, electron affinity decreases as the size of the atom increases. The second factor is effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge is directly proportional to electron affinity. Electron affinity depends on the nuclear charge of the atom. Higher the nuclear charge, more strong is the attractions between the nucleus and the outer electron. Hence, electron affinity increases with the increase in the nuclear charge. The third factor is shielding effect. Shielding effect inversely proportional to electron affinity. Then fourth factor is stability of half-filled and fully filled orbitals. Atoms with stable electronic configurations have no tendency to gain electron. Therefore, atoms with completely filled and half-filled electronic configuration have nearly zero electron affinity. Noble gases have zero electron affinity because the electronic configuration is ns2 np6. Halogen with a general electronic configuration ns2 np5 have high value of electron affinity since addition of one electron leads to the stable electronic configurations of noble gases. In this video, we learn definition of electron affinity, then variation of electron affinity in a period and group. Finally, factors affecting electron affinity. Thank you.